Okay, so this is like a short video. I think only 30 minutes we have to hear there. So first of all, I'm just welcome to everyone to the Vision Board community. So now onwards, you are the part. No, when you join this course onwards, you are the lifetime part of the Vision Board community. So I will give you the brief introduction about the Vision Board community when I started this community. So vision board community when I started, first I'm telling like vision board. Team, do you know what is the meaning of vision board? Anyone know? Please let me know in the chat. Vision board. What do you mean by? Hi Vishal. Yes. Do you know vision board? What is the vision board? Anything, whatever in your mind when you hearing about this name, what you in my mind will give you a one line, single line vision board. Team, any? I didn't get any response because this is like an interactive session. First, I just give an overview and then come into the portions. So then I will give you some time also. Yes, Vishal, you're absolutely correct. The future goal is like a board, is like a vision of our growth. Yes. So vision board is the concept when I hearing about when I read from one book. So the vision board will help us to. And one more thing, when I was a child, I know the people will whoever in the really in the one, for example, businessman or any other people like whoever sitting in a very successful places, they have a vision board. So that is the thing I heard about vision board. Then I vision board, then I heard about the name, then I strike, okay, this is the vision board. Then coming into like how we can create a vision board. So I know, I have a personally, I know how vision board to be created. So first I how I did like that when I work on my first company. Devi was zero with the zero without, I cannot pronounce in a single word of English. So that was the time I have. So that is the reason I'm following like a quote. If you lose your time, you can guide people, but if you win, you can lead. This is the quote I am just implemented in my life because I got lot of failures. Then I can able to tell that failure, okay, you don't go there. Okay, you can go this way. You will definitely win. Then that kind of critical situations are there in the life. Then I created one vision board, the first vision board created in the 2016. Yes, 2016 I created in my vision board. So that time I have the two options in my in front of me. First one, go to the MBA to from abroad, because after the BTech also take a huge amount and go to the abroad and take that one, but it's not a clarity. And second thing, learn and upskill and jump to or move in the other company. That is that option I have. Then I choose, okay, vision board created when the like a chart I implemented in front of my desk. Every day I'm looking, I'm praying to my future goal. So means I'm not sure why it was happened. Maybe the visualization, the power of visualization, successfully that goal was implemented in my life. So that was a really thing. I just know the power of the vision or the vision board in our life. Then I till 2017 onwards, every room when I am sitting in the hostel room, when I'm sitting in, and when I was sitting in a my room, my home, everywhere I have a vision board. So that is kind of a clarity giving to my vision, my ideas, everything. So when I am struggle also, I'll just create a something in my vision board. Okay, I just want to achieve this thing. So that was the name I got stuck on the vision board. Then this is very effective. That is the reason I think like that when I started my YouTube and my community, I given like that vision board. So that means a kind of when I was struggle, that is the vision board helped me. So the vision board name in the community also, that is for the helping hand community. If say someone is struggling for your future, worried about the thing, and you cannot able to crack the interviews, I am giving a hand. Okay, I'm giving a hand to everyone to come on. You can achieve anything, learn and upskill. This is the reason vision board community I was doing for the last 6 months of time. Vision board community mainly started on the as a consistency challenge. Lot of people got, I think 2000 people almost get some kind of help from my side. I'm really happy when I'm seeing the messages and all. Maybe that was the reason I am sitting here. I get a chance to work with everyone. So next 6 months or maybe the next 5 months of time, I will be with you for your future goals, everything. So if you know about sometime I was busy, right? I'm also working in the same in a company. So it's like there are a lot of works are there. But in meantime, whatever I am getting, the knowledge it's share with you is a great opportunity to me also. That is the reason I started this one. So first of all, I just guarantee if you consistently follow me for the next 3 months plus 2 months of interview preparation, you can able to crack any kind of company. But only one promise you need to give from your side. You should be consistent, whatever happen. For example, one lecture. When you see that lecture or the video, you are feel like this is not good. It's not able to follow me. But it is like a part. Some topics are very tough for us in some time, right? So that kind of thing you think, and next day also you just attend self-learning yourself, and I will be helping for you every time. Almost every time I will be available. Every time we have a communication. So 5 a.m. we will start from the 5 a.m. Then 7 we have an interview preparation, and evening time we have a connect. So that means in a day you are very close to me. Okay, I will tell you how it will be like that. Before I will give you some kind of pre preparation steps and all. Once we start the classes, we need to completely focus on your goals and all for the next 3 to 4 months of time. That dedication you have, whatever happen, you need to be have a kind of thing. So you can explore this week or next week. You can explore sometime whatever you want, because we need a pleasure. We need to enjoy our life. But when you enter into a mission, we have like a soldiers. We have that kind of energy, that kind of commitment in you. So that is one I am expecting from everyone. Are you ready, team? Please let me know. Are you ready with me? Just give a thumb. So energy we need. The energy. Yes. Yes. Thanks, team. Thanks for support. Energy. You need to live with the highest energy. So, and whatever I'm sharing, just follow that one. And we can also, I will also have a almost 6 to 7 years of experience. In that year, whatever I learn, that is enough. You can crack. You can completely change into your means transition. If you are working in an Azure, okay, you can take certifications and all, boost your profile. If you are not from the certification background, I will teach you how you can make the transition. So that is the overall idea about the vision board and the community. So this is like a lifetime community. Once you join this one, you are the part. You want to stay with me in the when you're working in the IT industry, because helping hand referrals, everything we have a connection. This people is guys working in this one. So if your recession is also there, if someone is got layoff, we are responsible to helping him. So for example, one referral, maybe one referral will help us to people. But people willing to do that one when you're staying with a good people, good association, and good energy. Okay, the very if you're staying with the high energy people, your mentality, your concept, or your view, everything will be moving into that level. So that is the reason people are telling like your personality is the average of the five people surrounded you, because we know the energy level. If you stuck on, if you work on a highest energy, you can see the difference also. So that is the one I'm suggesting to throughout this journey. I need highest energy. Whatever you facing, okay, whatever the issue you face around, don't care about. Stick your goals. I will tell you how you can create your goals and all. Okay, so that is the one thing about community. Yes. Then next week we have a boot camp also, and today I'm just kind of a preparation kind of thing how we can do. Some people have some kind of doubt. You already enrolled earlier, I know. So don't need to wait everyone in here. Just give some hints on all how it will be working, and because once we started the course, we will be moving like a very fast kind of paces, and not fast, but it's like interactive. But now you will get more time. That is the overall idea. Then coming into the topic, give me 1 minute, I will share my screen. So let me know you can able to see my screen. Team, you can able to see my screen. Please let me know in the chat. Yes. Okay. So our first thing will be when you enter into when you are from any background. First, we need to be clear about the fundamentals. So that is a certification called DP 900. Okay. This DP 900, to be honest, we can clear in a 7 days of time. It's like a 4 days enough, but I'm telling like a maximum. Okay, minimum 4 days and maximum 7 days. Okay, so this is the first thing we can clear. Once you complete this one, you need to go to like a data fundamental concept you clear. Then there is a fundamental one more certification is called Databricks Lakehouse. Okay, so this is the two certification you need to complete this week, or you need to be give some kind of investigation how it will be working like that. Then what are the resources you want? These kind of thing I will share with you. Okay, so this will be I will share with you. If you're okay with that one, we can move forward. Okay, that is the first thing you need to be. I will share how it will be like that. First thing will be DP 900. Okay, DP 900, I already shared one, I think one material, maybe I will share it again. DP 900, let me check, let me DP 900, I've given the this one also for everyone. Okay, yeah, I'm just sharing complete my screen. Okay, so you can see here DP900. This is the DP900 Databricks, DP900 Microsoft Azure Data Fundamental. In this one, almost cost is dollar triple nine. Okay, team, you can also see my screen, right? Dollar 199. So this is the exam cost of this exam. So you can do it from your in your home also, person one. At least maximum 4 days to 7 days it will take. So you need to target that way and to prepare well. So we are focusing on more these kind of Azure concept. Then coming to here, I'm just sharing this in the chat. So in this week, you need to be work on this one. Okay, the first thing. So here itself you can see like that. Main, what are the component of the cloud? How we can implement it in a cloud, and how the cloud is the cost-effective manners. What are the format are available? External sources. Some kind of overview you will get from here. I think from your company itself, DP900, you can get the free, you can get. So you can ask with your counselor, or you can ask with your manager, I'm just planning to learn something, I want to upskill. It's okay, don't approach, don't need to tell like that I enroll this kind of courses. You can tell like, okay, I just want to upskill myself, so can you please help us to do this one. Okay, so that is the one thing you can tell them. Then what you can do, like you just go through these kind of things, because upskilling is always easier when your company itself there are a lot of opening for the Azure data engineering. Maybe if you are skilling and you have certified, maybe that opportunity will come into your site. Definitely it will be, you will get that opportunity. So we need to prepare. Maybe we don't know when the opportunities will come, but we need to prepare every time. So that is the one thing we can do in our life. So that is the one suggestion from my side. So complete this link, then take the certification. If you give that like that, this one from your company coupon and all, it will be do. You can get it freely. Then here itself, you can see like the main component. What are the main component? You can go through, just go through it. But I will share once the course complete started. I will share in their details. Don't worry about. Then there are self-paced learning and this instructor paced. Don't need to instructor lead, because I will teach you. Self-paced in go to here and start the basic concept. For example, click on this start. You will get basic concept, introduction, okay, identity, data format, file format. You just go through it. If you don't know about anything, don't worry, because just go through it, you will get an overview how the things will be getting, and what are the things happening in the cloud. These kind of idea is enough. I When I teaching, you will get better clarity, okay. Sorry. Then there are a lot of things are here, so that is the first thing you need to complete from your side. Then this link, this complete link, it will be helpful, and start preparing sometime every day. Then DP Nansen, once you complete the DP Nansen, that means 4 to 7 days I am telling. But this week and next week, okay, sometime we need to go through this kind of thing. Then next one will be data lake fundamental. Databricks, I'm just searching. Databricks lake house fundamentals. This is the another exam. Okay. In this exam, it is completely free, but it has value. That is another reason I'm telling, like, it is completely free, but it is very simple. So what you do, like, this is the lake house architecture. I will give you the lake house, some kind of overview. Databricks is the company. Earlier, it is like a Spark. So, team, you aware about Spark, right? Let me know in the chat. Do you aware about the big data and Spark? That is the first question. If anyone know, I will give you some kind of idea. Okay, team, let me know. All good, right? No, okay. Okay, so I will give you some overview also. Now we are dealing with, now we are discussing, right? Now we are discussing. It is like a data. Now also we are transferring some data. But if you think about, if you're working on a company, in a large scale company, in a Facebook or YouTube, what will happen? Every time the kind of large amount of data will be transferring. That is called a big data with a large amount of data. Previously, this data was handling this data analysis. Why this data analysis is important is like that. When you this if you know about who am I, you need to know about my, you searching whatever I'm searching in the Google, what am I searching or reading in the videos. From this one, from the data I am searching, you can analyze who am I. So that is the importance of data. Nowadays, data engineer has huge demand, huge opening. Why? Because data analysis is a skill. That is the one thing we need to learn from these throughout this course. How we can use the data and how it will be transferring effectively to business. That is another part. So that is the reason data engineers has the huge demand. Previously, there's a Spark is the on-premises system. There's free services we used for the analysis of the data, extraction of the data. If you have a large amount of data, only data, whatever the amount of data we need for the particular analysis, extract it. Example, a share price. We need to know this share is increase or not for the coming days. So how we can analysis, like, we will be taking the all databases for the last 2 to 3 years of data, how this share is working like that. But maybe that share table contain 100 columns. But we don't need that complete column. We want only the price and the date column. Okay, out of 100, two columns only we want. Then how we can analysis? We just take that column only, then work on that particular column. So that means we filtered from the 100 list of columns into two column with a table. That is called the filtering. That means whatever data we want, that we are extracting. Okay, so that is the all idea about these kind of thing. Then coming into the point like that, I'm just kind of overview. Okay, in the Spark is a system we previously used, but right now we are using the cloud environment because we are focusing on the cloud technology. Pure data engineer will concept like a kind of thing. I will share the information, everything I will share the next week boot camp. But now we are working on the cloud. The cloud, the database is the best system for handling the this kind of large amount of data. So that is the reason I'm telling, like, Databricks also we need to take it. So in this one, we can see here the free training of Databricks Lakehouse and fundamental. I'm sharing this also for your knowledge. And certifications also we will get complete, because don't worry about, if you don't know these things, don't worry, we can start from the scratch itself. When the class is started, every day we are preparing, we will get some kind of idea. So this is the another, I'm just sharing in the chat also. When you use this one, there is a 4 hour courses. Okay, so you can see, like, you can learn from your personal mail id. The company email id don't need to give, I'm just given like that, but it's not needed. You can give like whatever in your, if you whatever in your cases, whatever thing you want. Okay, that's only you need to mention there. Then okay, then start, you can give the start also. That's like a 4 hour introduction into lake house. Then okay, in introduction into lakehouse, introduction to database lakehouse platform, introduction into, these are the 4 things they will give you. Then in this platform you will get more idea about why it is like that. Okay, this is kind of everything you will get. I'm just given board. You can click on, okay, so this is the one you want to log in. Okay, so here it is, it's like when you log in, you will get this kind of information, LinkedIn profile, these kind of thing. Take a badge, or if you are a practitioner, click on here. This is the certification you will get. Once you get this, you can share in the LinkedIn and tag me. If you want to better reach, tag me also. You can see here introduction of data lakehouse, 6 minutes. Then here is the introduction of Lakehouse platform, 4 minutes. Here is 20 minutes. It's like a 21 minutes. So these are the things you need to complete here. Okay, it's like a kind of video. What is Lakehouse? Why it is using like that? Now, if you learn this thing, what the benefit is like that? When I teaching you, you will get better idea. Now maybe initially you will not get much clarity, but complete it without failure. If you don't know anything about, try to watch 2 times. Okay, these kind of thing, watch 2 times. Once you complete this one, you can go to the take a quiz and get your badge. Click on this one. But once you get I'm not suggesting to do this week, but try to learn as soon as possible. That is the thing you can do from your side itself. But if you invest in your time for right now, what will happen, you will get better time. When I'm teaching, you can ask better questions. So that is the one thing you can do. So first thing, you need to go with the DP 900. And second thing, data lake fundamental. These are the 2 things. Now you need to focus in the initial stage. I'm just telling, like, initial stage you need to focus. These are the 2 things I'm just sharing in the chat also. Once you are okay with these kind of thing, or when we are starting in our course, we can move into the better. Okay, you know, right, first time you learn, you will not get anything. But if you learn again and again, we will be become expert on that one. So that is the current point you need to, because you know, don't need to wait your time. You just go and do this one straight away. Okay, so team, any doubt you have? We have 3 more minutes. Any doubt you have? I will personally connect you once our course is started. Definitely, we have a one-to-one connect. I will allocate 10 to 15 minutes to everyone to connect personally. I need to know your goal, your aspiration, everything. Then I will help you to create a roadmap. Hmm. I will give you some separate link. You can book that link and take my availability, and we can connect personally. When we starting, you will get better understanding how it will be working like that. Team, any doubt on you for this kind of session? So I'm just giving some overview in this session itself. Can you give in the chat? Any doubt? Anything you can mention in the chat also. Don't worry about, I will personally connect you, but this time is like a kind of busy schedule. That is the reason I'm 30 minutes I'm allocating for you. Just want to know how it will be like that. All good, right? So be prepared, because we are moving into a journey. And one more thing I just want to know. Okay. Thanks, Vishal. Thank you so much for this one. Because definitely when you start, okay. The class timing actually, I'm suspecting 4 days in a week. weekdays. Okay, 4 days in a weekdays. That means 3 days I will be available because 2 days I just want to go office also. Then one day I will give you practical. Okay, one day is like a practical. Friday we can take an off, so it will be helpful for me also. Then Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is the timing. Then night we have to allocate 1 hour. Okay, every day you just allocated with me 1 hour. That is enough. We can complete all the things like 8:30 to 9:30 or 9 to 10. So that will be the time I am planning to every day 1 hour. But we should be consistent at that particular hour of time. Normally whatever I am giving on the Saturday, like Saturday I am teaching, okay, this is the portion, and that day, the next day, next weekend we are doing the practicals. So that is the no, that is a normal thing. I'm just giving the question. People are working on that one. Then after that, I will share the answers. But this time, I'm planning to. I need your communication also. I will do accordingly. But anyway, I'm planning to 3 days in a weekdays. We will be have a session, but one day is like a practical. Okay, that you can do the practical. Friday will be off. Friday night will be off. Saturday morning 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so that means then also the 5 a.m. club also there, and the 5 a.m. club, the morning interview preparation batch also there. If you have time, you can also join with me. That is also not an issue. Then you will get a kind of 3 months. If you completely invest your 3 months of time, within 3 months you can able to crack the companies. But if you have working kind of thing, what will happen? I will definitely allocate some time and all. Okay, that is a Deepak, that is the question for your answer. But don't worry, any kind of your goal, I will stay with you because you can see success stories in the vision board and the YouTube and all. Maybe you can ask to the people also in our community, like already there. There are a lot of people are there. There are from most of the people are from outside US. Maybe I think Sridev is here. Okay, Sridev already know about the success stories from vision board, how it will be like that. So these are the main thing I just want to inform you. And any other doubt, team, you can ask in the chat also. Okay, Vishal, I think once the boot camp is completed, I need some time to personally connect with everyone. Okay, so that is the one kind of pre-preparation. I'm training them. Then once it is completed, that kind of one phase is completed, and we need to kind of pre-preparation kind of thing, because we are not jumping into directly kind of thing, because it's like a long journey. 3 months is a 3 to 4 month is kind of a long journey itself, right? We are dedicated completely on that particular journey, plus extensive kind of interview preparation. We will do the Python, PySpark coding, SQL coding, Databricks, everything we will do. So that kind of seriousness you have, because it's like a preparing like a crack big companies. So that is the one thing I just want to share with you. So Vishal, actually we will start the class as soon as possible. But before, I need to know your goals, your aspiration. Everyone need to write my Excel also. Then only we will be starting. Okay, that is the one thing. But bootcamp definitely you need to attend. But meantime, so this week maybe you can take, but next week onwards we will be starting. We are on the track, like a pre-preparation kind of week. It will be. Yeah, Deepak, you have a goal. This is kind of a clear vision, and you need to make sure one more thing. I want to become, or I become. Okay, this kind of present tense you can use. I become Azure data engineer in this particular company with the salary 24 lakhs or 34 lakhs or 40 lakh. So that kind of clear goal also you need to mention. Again, team, you can see Deepak is mentioned. My goal is to become an Azure data engineer. I'm adding one more point. I want to become an Azure. You can tell I am Azure data engineer. I am an expert Azure data engineering in a particular company. What is your dream company? Make that dream company. Then I have a salary 40 lakh, 25 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh. Maybe based on your experience, right? I'm not telling everyone get the salary. It's like based on your experience, you can make a 15 lakhs, 20 lakh, 25 lakhs, 40 lakhs. So based on your salary, make sure that complete list you need to take and stick on your wall. That is the one thing I'm just giving to everyone. Okay, so I think you will get some kind of idea. So prepare for DP 900, and once you complete every dumps, everything I will share with you. Just study. Exam certification point of view, I will do from my side. Okay, don't worry about any kind of. But you need to prepare. Once you complete your preparation, only I will share the dumps. Otherwise, it will not be an issue. So one more question I will ask you. Do you know the importance of certification? Do you know the importance of certification? Can you give in the chat? Certification is important because if you want your resume need to be shortlisted for the higher companies, they are looking your certification. Because because why I'm telling like that, you're thinking about two engineers. Okay, two engineers, you want to build your dream home. So who are from the NIT and they are charging much. Okay, we have the money also, and another person has no money, no kind of certification, or is a pure background. Definitely you will go to the NIT or IIT kind of background people, right? Highly certified people, because your dream home you are giving to people who have qualified. How we know he's qualified? Based on the certificate. That is the reason. That is the same thing happen in the recruiter side also. When they are looking on the resume, what they said, okay, this guy is kind of a certification, okay, this guy has a qualification. So that is the reason I'm telling that certification is very important. So make sure, try to do. If you want, before this one, take your short break, then come to the community every day, attend every day. So this is the priority rather than your work. This is the priority for some time. So that is the reason you're coming to here, right? Prioritize this work. Do we can through this journey? I will be with you. Okay, maybe after 1 or 2 months, maybe you feel like that I am coming from your family. That kind of maybe a sister kind of role I can place in your life. So definitely, I am want to success everyone in your life. I will be supportive. Whatever the help I can able to do, definitely I will do from my side. Don't worry about. Okay, yeah, I think almost every question I clarify, right? Okay, great. We can connect. I will personally connect you once our boot camp completed. I can personally connect. I think everyone is enrolled for the boot camp also, right? I will give you. Don't need to enroll anywhere. I will give you the Zoom link also. 3 days boot camp, 18, 19, 20, 8 p.m. Okay, 18 means next Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days we have a boot camp. So prepare for that one also. Don't need to prepare. I will teach you how it will be like that. Meantime, you just go through these are the things and learn something from your side. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Keep the energy, team. Rest of things I will take care. If you want, you can attend the morning interview preparation. Sometime I will be traveling. It's like a sometime we don't have classes, but otherwise we have every day. Almost every day we have a classes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Connect again. Bye. Thank you.